Make sure that there are no wrinkles in the undersleeve. Align the knee component in the knee crease at the height of the medial numbers. Attach the top 2 bands loosely to hold the garment in place. The knee component should overlap with the lower leg garment. Attach the bottom-most band with firm and comfortable tension. Attach the bands alternately from bottom to top so that the garment lays flat and wrinkle-free. Slightly pull the upper band upwards to avoid wrinkles. Hold the top of the garment while attaching the last band. If there are gaps or creases, simply readjust the bands. The bands should always be tightened with firm and comfortable tension. For an effective therapy, readjust the compression throughout the day. Roll back the bands to keep the hook fasteners lint-free.